And now, the grand finale, which all of us have been waiting for with bated breath, the IMTMA ACE Micromatic Productivity Championship Awards 2021. Let me give you a little background as to what these awards constitute. The first prize carries a cash award of rupees 3 lakhs, a crystal trophy, and a certificate for each of the winner. The second prize carries a cash award of rupees 2 lakhs, a crystal trophy, and certificate for winners. Third prize carries a cash award of rupees 1 lakh, crystal trophy, and certificates for the winners. Small and micro enterprises form the backbone of Indian manufacturing. To showcase the best productivity improvement projects being implemented in the SME sector, IMTMA instituted the SME Productivity Championship Award. The winner of IMTMA ACE Micromatic SME Productivity Championship Award 2021 will receive a cash prize of rupees 1 lakh, a trophy, and a certificate. I must mention here that all the cash awards are given away to the winning individuals or teams and not to the company. All the other contesting companies will receive a certificate of merit. First, we start with the SME Productivity Championship Award. The winner of this year's IMTMA ACE Micromatic SME Productivity Championship Award is Associated Plasmatron. For their case study presentation on refurbishment of an Innocenti lathe to an automated contemporary machine for business sustainability. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together and give a big round of applause. Congratulations to Associated Plasmatron. I'll now announce the winners of third prize, who will receive a cash prize of 1 lakh rupees, a trophy, and a certificate of IMTMA ACE Micromatic Productivity Championship Awards 2021. The third prize goes to Bharat Electronics Limited Military Radars for their case study presentation on breakthrough improvement in lead time for export of Radar X systems. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and give a huge round of applause to Bharat Electronics. Congratulations. After the third prize, moving on to the second prize. The winner of second prize, who will receive a cash prize of rupees 2 lakhs, a trophy, and certificate of IMTMA ACE Micromatic Productivity Championship Awards 2021. The winner of second prize is Ucal Fuel Systems for their case study presentation on business transformation through process re-engineering, process, product, people. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Give a round of applause to Ucal Fuel Systems. Congratulations. And now, for the first prize of the IMTMA ACE Micromatic Productivity Championship Awards 2021. The winner of the first prize will receive a cash prize of rupees 3 lakhs, a trophy, and a certificate of IMTMA ACE Micromatic Productivity Championship Awards 2021. The champion of champions, the winner of the first prize of Productivity Championship Awards 2021 is Bosch. For their case study presentation, Productivity Improvement in Gear Shaft through Machine Learning Technique. Congratulations, Bosch. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Give a big round of applause to Bosch. 15 productivity summits have put our efforts in this direction on a new pedestal. This mega endeavor has become IMTMA's second most significant event after the IMTEX and ToolTech series of exhibitions. We'd like to express our sincere gratitude to ACE Micromatic Group for their continued support as an award sponsor. We thank all our keynote speakers, technology presenters, and case study presenters for their excellent presentations. We congratulate the winners of the IMTMA ACE Micromatic Productivity Championship Awards 2021 for their tireless efforts in achieving this milestone accomplishment. Our sincere appreciation to each and every member of the jury and to all the sponsors for their invaluable contribution in putting together this mega event most successfully. IMTMA would like to acknowledge and thank its past presidents and the executive committee members for their immense contribution to the success of this event. And finally, I would like to take this opportunity to most graciously thank each and every one of our participants who have been with us for the last 2 days. The next edition of National Productivity Summit will be held in November 2022. We strongly urge and encourage all of you to contest and participate in the summit by sending in your entries. With this, ladies and gentlemen, we conclude this very memorable awards ceremony. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure being amongst all of you. This is your host, Asif Beg, signing off from the National Productivity Summit 2021. Jai Hind.